Cough. As a verb, to expel air suddenly from the lungs with a sound, often when sick. As a noun, the sound made when someone coughs. She started to cough after drinking cold water. His loud cough echoed in the room. The doctor gave him medicine for his cough. He coughed because of the dust in the air. The baby had a slight cough during the night.